In this short tutorial, I will show you how to stop people from tagging you on Facebook. Being tagged in photos or posts can sometimes be annoying or intrusive, so it's important to know how to control who can tag you. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. After that, scroll down until you see an option called Profile and Tagging. Tap on it. Now you want to tweak a couple of settings. Scroll down to the Tagging section and tap here. Then select the Only Me option. Then tap here and also select the Only Me option. Once you've done that, scroll down again, and you'll see the Reviewing section. You need to enable these two options. Review tags people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. Review posts you've tagged in before the post appears on your profile. By adjusting these settings, you can have more control over what shows up on your profile and prevent unwanted tags. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.